I'm gonna need your gloves, Tim.
Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by my video. It's been a minute since I have posted, but finally I've been holding on to this footage for since August of last year, so several months now. But now that this whole pandemic thing going on, I've been looking through my old stuff and I'm not as busy anymore, so I thought, hey, well, let's cook up this video and post it on YouTube. But it was just a special catch. The footage will show for itself. Unfortunately, I didn't get the hookup on video, but I did get most of the fight. And the other sad thing was my GoPro ran out of video when I released the fish. I ended up just releasing the sail. It was actually legal to keep for Florida, but I wasn't gonna keep it. But it was an amazing catch, and I actually caught it on my homemade rig. I have been wanting to put it out on my store, my own duster rig, but I really want to put something good out there, and I felt one of the components on the rig was just not up to what I wanted for it. So I've been trying to source and look for a supplier for it, and I'm getting close. And as soon as I find the right supplier for this component of the rig, then I'll start making them and selling and putting them on my website, and maybe on Amazon if I get approved for it. But this was caught on my own fishing rig, but it was just a awesome catch, once in a lifetime fish, especially so close to shore that I was. I was probably 600 or 700 yards off of the beach. But anyways, guys, hope y'all enjoy the video, and I'm gonna try to keep posting more videos. I have a lot of footage of from last year and this year, and just now that I have the time, I can actually start editing stuff and putting them out. But I definitely wanted to put this out, so hope y'all enjoy it.
I just knew it, Tim. He's like
Thanks
6
for
foot.
staying to this part of the video, guys. I appreciate you sticking this long, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Just kind of wanted to retouch up on it, even though I talked about it in the beginning, but I did end up releasing
I'm gonna need your
this
gloves,
sailfish.
Tim.
Unfortunately, my GoPro's battery ran out, and I thought I was recording, but I didn't get any of that footage. But I did end up paddling around, running some water through the gills of the sail. And I know it looked like it was a really dark colored, so normally that means that it's pretty tired or, you know, close to dead or whatever. But because I don't know much about sailfish, but I did ask around, and a lot of people thought that maybe it was an Indo-Pacific sailfish, which is another species of sailfish, and they're normally a little bit darker. Because I did notice when it was jumping, it wasn't as shiny, or because I've seen sailfish before fishing offshore, jumping, and they look really silvery. But this one was a little bit darker even when I first hooked up on it, and also it was lifting its sails when I had it out of the water, so he was still, that's a sign that it's still doing pretty good. And even when I was measuring it before I put him back in the water, he was thrashing a little bit, so he was still responsive. He wasn't completely just dead. But it did take a while for him to start really kicking. I kept paddling around, and eventually he took off. So that was nice to see. But yeah, so I just wanted to retouch up on that. But anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all watching the video, and hopefully soon I can find a supplier for the component that I need. I want to put out the best components on my rig, and I thought the one I was going to use before just wasn't up to par, so I have been looking, and I think I'm narrowing it down to a couple that I really like. So hopefully I can keep posting videos. Work's really slowed down for me, so I've had time to look through footage. I have footage from last year and footage from this year. It's just a matter of cooking it up and editing it and putting it out. But I'll also be recording. Fishing season's just starting in my area offshore, so I'm really going to start doing some more fishing, and hopefully get some good footage. And I really want to get that rig out so that if you do offshore fishing, you can get it. Again, the proof is in the pudding. I caught that sailfish from a kayak, and that was a homemade rig that I made. But I also have my pompano rigs. If you do pompano fishing, I have my pompano rigs in stock on Amazon. I'll put a link at the bottom of the video. So anyways, guys, hope you all have a great time and in the water if you go fish, and stay safe. But see you guys next time.